Let's learn vehicles A to Z. Come along and sing with me.
Cars and trucks and things that go from A to Z, let's start the show.
A is for ambulance, A, ambulance, woo. B is for bus, B, bus, beep, beep, coming through. C is for car, C, car, zooming fast and bright. D is for dump truck, D, dump truck, lifting dirt with might.
E is for excavator, E, excavator, digging in the ground. F is for fire truck, F, fire truck, sirens all around. G is for garbage truck, G, garbage truck, collecting every day. H is for helicopter, H, helicopter, whirring on its way.
I is for ice cream truck, I, ice cream truck, ring, ding, ding. J is for Jeep, J, Jeep, ready for anything. K is for kayak, K, kayak, gliding on the stream. L is for loader, L, loader, working as a team.
M is for motorcycle, M, motorcycle, vroom, vroom, vroom. M is for narrowboat, N, narrow boat, floating through the lagoon. O is for off-road truck, O, off-road truck, tough and strong. P is for police car, P, police car, keeping us safe all day long.
Q is for quad bike, Q, quad bike, zooming on the trail. R is for rocket, R, rocket, up where stars prevail. S is for submarine, S, submarine, diving deep below. T is for tractor, T, tractor, helping crops to grow.
U is for unicycle, unicycle, balancing with care. V is for van, V, van, traveling everywhere. W is for water taxi, W, water taxi, splashing on the sea. X is for x-ray truck, X, x-ray truck, helping safely, carefully.
Y is for yacht, Y, yacht, sailing smooth and free. Z is for Zamboni, Z, Zamboni, cleaning ice so easily. Great job, friends, A to Z. We learned the vehicles happily.